In this video, we'll show you how to transfer money between your gateway bank accounts. Once you log in through secure.gcbaz.com, you will land on your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main menu. Let's click on Transfers. Select which account you want to transfer money from and which account you want to transfer money to. You can also click this icon to switch the direction of the transfer. Then, enter the amount you would like to transfer. Under More Options, you can select the frequency, or how often you would like to make a recurring transfer. The date the transfer should take place. Add a memo or notes about what the money is for. And submit. Note that any transfers scheduled after 5 p.m. Arizona time will be processed the next business day. The next scheduled transfer will appear on this calendar. That's the basics of how to transfer money between your gateway bank accounts. If you have more questions or need technical support, visit the Help Center on our website for more how-to videos or contact us at 480-358-1000.